Good morning, student. Today's class is medical terminology, medical terminations of pregnancy. Before we start medical terminations of pregnancy, we will discuss some previous point. It is method of birth control, which is already divided in 6 or 7 type. First is which is divided in 6 type. First is natural method, where we have read periodic absences, coitus interrupts, or lactational period. Second is barrier method. Third is intrauterine device. Intrauterine device, it is already divided in 3: non-medicated. Second, copper releasing IUDs. Third is hormone releasing IUDs. So these are the some points about intrauterine device. Then we have discussed oral contraceptives, where we have used Saheli. We have discussed about Saheli. It is already formed in Central Drugs Research Institute in Lucknow. Okay, then we have take next point. In fact, injections and implants. Next, surgical method. Surgical method, it is called as sterilization, where we have read 2 in female. There are 2 methods. In male, it is vasectomy, and in female, it is tubectomy. So it is, we have already discussed in previous lecture. Now today's point is medical terminology of pregnancy. Medical terminology of pregnancy. In first is, we will discuss intentional or voluntary terminations of pregnancy before full term is called medical terminations of pregnancy. Voluntary terminations of pregnancy is before full terms is called medical terminations of pregnancy, or we define this term MTP. Second, nearly 45 to 50 millions MTP are preferred in a year all over the world, which accounts as 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. ठीक है, जितनी भी प्रेगनेंसी पूरे ऑल वर्ल्ड होती हैं उसमें सिर्फ 1/5 ही रिकमेंडेड MTP होती है. अंडरस्टूड? Obviously, MTP has a significant role in decreasing the population through it is not meant for that purpose. ये इस MTP एक प्रकार से इसका सिग्निफिकेंट वे क्या है कि पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज करना, बट ये इस पर्पस के लिए नहीं होती है. Whether to accept legalize MTP or not are being debated upon in many countries due to emotional, ethical, religious and social issues involved in it. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict conditions to avoid its misuse. Such restrictions are all the more important to check indiscriminate and illegal female ferticides which are reported to be high in India. Why MTP? Obviously, the answer is to get rid of unwanted pregnancy, either due to causal unprotected intercourse or failure of contraceptives or using during coitus or rape. MTP are also essential in certain cases where continuations of the pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal, either to the mother or to the fetus or both. Clear, student? MTP are considered relatively safe during the first trimester up to 12 week of pregnancy. Second trimesters or abortions are much more riskier. Clear, student? क्या मतलब है? इट मीन्स अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी हो तब एमटीपी रिकमेंडेड होती है. सेकंड, कॉजल अनप्रोटेक्टेड इंटरकोर्स और फेलियर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स, ठीक है, इस समय एमटीपी. सेकंड, थर्डली कि फर्स्ट 3 मंथ में ये एमटीपी सबसे सेफियर है, ठीक है, इसके बाद ये सेफ नहीं है. One disturbed trade observing it is a majority of MTP are preferred illegally by unqualified quacks which are not only safe but could be fatal too. ठीक है. बहुत बार एक्सपर्ट्स के थ्रू नहीं होती है तो फीटल और मदर के लिए दोनों के लिए हार्मफुल है. अनदर डेंजरस ट्रेड इज मिसयूज टू एमिनोसेंटेसिस टू डिटरमाइन द सेक्स ऑफ द अनबॉर्न चाइल्ड. ये इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट ने इसको लीगलाइज कर दिया बिकॉज इसका बहुत ज़्यादा मिसयूज सोसाइटी में होने लगा था. ठीक है, स्पेशली सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशंस के समय पे फीमेल चाइल्ड तो उसको फिटस कंडीशंस पे डिस्ट्रॉय कर देना. फ्रिक्वेंटली इफ़ द फिटस इज़ फाउंड टू बी फीमेल it is followed by MTP. It is totally against what is legal. Such practices should be avoided because these are dangerous both for the young mother and the fetus. Effective counseling on the needs to avoid unprotected coitus and risk factor involved in illegal abortions as well as providing more health care facilitated could reverse the maintained unhealthy traits. इस पैराग्राफ में कि why MTP is required और why it is not required. जब इसका misuse होता है तो ये required नहीं है. Clear student? Now second is sexually transmitted disease. Sexually transmitted disease, the definition of sexually transmitted disease is disease or infection which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted disease. Already terms are given there. ठीक है, STD और venereal disease BD or reproductive tract infections RTI. The name of some STD disease is gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes or chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and of course the most discussed infection in the recent year, HIV leading to AIDS, are the some of the common STDs. Some of these infections like hepatitis B and HBI can also be transmitted by sharing of infections needle, surgical instruments with infected person, transfusion of blood or form in infections mother to the fetus to accept the hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infections. Other diseases are commonly curable if detected earlier or treated properly. Early symptoms of most of these are minor and include itching, fluid discharge, slight pain, swelling, etc. in the genital regions. Infected females may often be asymptomatic and hence may remain undetected for long absences or less significant symptoms in the early stage of infections, and the social stigma attached to the STD deter the infected person from going for timely detections or proper treatment. ठीक है, अर्ली जो सिम्टम्स होते हैं वो बहुत माइनर होते हैं, जैसे ये इसमें कुछ सिम्टम्स आते हैं ईचिंग, फ्लूइड डिस्चार्ज, स्लाइड पेन, स्वेलिंग एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है उस चीज़ को अर्ली स्टेज पे ही दूर कर देना चाहिए, अदरवाइज वो फिर एक प्रॉब्लम बनेगी. दिस कुड लीड्स टू कॉम्प्लिकेशंस लेटर, जो बाद में कॉम्प्लिकेशंस बन सकते हैं. ठीक है, विच इंक्लूड पेल्विक inflammatory disease PID, abortions, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, infertility और इवन कैंसर ऑफ द रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक। यदि इस चीज़ को टाइम पर यदि नहीं क्योर किया गया तो ये बाद में एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम के फॉर्म पर आ सकता है। थ्रू ऑल पर्सन्स आर vulnerable to these infections. These incidents are reported to be very high among persons in the age group of 15 to 24 years, the age group to which you also belong. You could be free of these infections if you follow simple principles to given below. ठीक है स्टूडेंट। नाउ थर्ड इज इनफर्टिलिटी। इनफर्टिलिटी in India, often the female is blamed for couple being childless. Clear student? ये एक society discrimination है। Being childless, but more often than not, the problem lies in the male partner. Specialized healthcare units, infertility clinics, etc. could help in diagnosis and corrective treatment of some of these disorders and enable these couples to have children. However, where such corrections are not possible, the couple could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technology, ART. तो ये ART terms you will keep important points. You will just read and keep important points in your mind. In vitro fertilization, IVF fertilization outside the body, ठीक है, almost similar conditions as that in the body, ठीक है। जो in vitro fertilization है वो body के outside है, but conditions should be similar just like inside the body, followed by embryo transfer, ठीक है। इसमें आता है embryo transfer. Embryo transfer means कि embryo transfer किया जाता है। In such is one of the such method. In this method, properly known as test tube baby program, ova from the wife donor female and sperm from the husband donor are collected and are induced to form zygote under simulated conditions for the laboratory. The zygote or early embryo with up to 8 blastomeres could had be transferred into the fallopian tube. ये conditions बहुत important है कि एम्ब्रियो और जाइगोट जो है वो किस कंडीशन में आ जाना चाहिए, 8 ब्लास्टोमियर्स कंडीशन पर, ठीक है ना। मतलब ब्लास्टोमियर्स 8 सेल स्ट्रक्चर में आ जाए, 8 ब्लास्टोमियर्स आ जाने चाहिए, तभी वो फैलोपियन ट्यूब में ट्रांसफ़र होगा, ठीक है। एंड इट इज़ देयर आर 2 मेथड, ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer, the embryo which more than 8 blastomeres into the uterus, IUT, intrauterine transfer to complete the further development. जब 8 blastomeres conditions हो जाएगी तो फिर उसको ट्रांसफ़र कर जाता है मदर यूट्रस में। Embryo formed in vitro fertilization, fusion of gametes within the female also could be used for such transfer to assist those female who cannot conceive. इसमें क्या किया जाएगा कि एम्ब्रियो का ट्रांसफ़र पे कपल में इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन होगा एंड आफ्टर दैट सैरोगेटिंग मदर्स को कि यूट्रस में उसको ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया जाएगा, ठीक है। ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ ओवम कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम अ डोनर इनटू अ फैलोपियन ट्यूब, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Another female who cannot produce one but can provide suitable environment for fertilization and further development of another method attempt. इसमें क्या है, ओवम इसमें कलेक्ट किया जा रहा है डोनर से, ठीक है, इनटू फैलोपियन ट्यूब, gametes intrafallopian transfer of another female who cannot produce one but can provide suitable environment. वो मदर जो एग तो प्रॉपर प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रही बट वो यूट्रस एनवायरनमेंट उसका ठीक है फिटस के लिए, तो उस समय पर GIFT गैमेट्स इंट्राफैलोपियन ट्रांसफ़र मेथड यूज़ की जाती है। थर्ड वन इज़ इंट्रा साइटोप्लाज्मिक स्पर्म्स इंजेक्शंस। This is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which sperm is directly injected into the ovum. ठीक है, जो ओवम से डायरेक्टली उसमें स्पर्म इंजेक्ट करना. ठीक है. इनफर्टिलिटी केसेस आइदर ड्यू टू इनएबिलिटी ऑफ मेल पार्टनर टू इंसेमिनेट द फीमेल और ड्यू टू लो स्पर्म्स काउंट. ये दो कंडीशंस में है, या तो लो स्पर्म्स काउंट है या फिर इंसेमिनेशंस में वो प्रॉपर इनएबिलिटी है. ठीक है, इनएबिलिटी इन इंसेमिनेशन. ठीक है, could be corrected by artificial insemination. तो उसके लिए AI techniques यूज़ होती है, artificial inseminations. In this techniques the semen collect either from the husband or healthy donor is artificially introduced either into the vagina or into the uterus. ये दो मेथड से है semen ट्रांसमिट और ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है प्रॉपर मेथड के थ्रू. ठीक है, प्रॉपर विजाइना के थ्रू या यूट्रस पर डायरेक्टली. किस पे किया जाएगा? यूट्रस पर. ठीक है. एंड तो दिस टेक्निक इज कॉल्ड AI टेक्निक. ठीक है. इनटू यूट्रस ऑफ द फीमेल थ्रू ऑप्शन आर मैनी. ऑल दीज टेक्निक्स रिक्वायर्ड एक्सट्रीमली हाई precisions, handlings or specialized professionals and expensive instruments. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा कैसी होती है? प्रिसाइज वे में होना चाहिए, बहुत एक्सपर्ट्स के थ्रू होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, therefore these facilities are presently available only in few centers in the countries. Obviously their benefit is affordable to only limited number of people. इसके ड्रॉबिक्स क्या हैं कि बहुत कम है ये. दूसरा, बहुत कॉस्टली मेथड है. तीसरा, इसमें इमोशनल, रीजनल और सोशल फैक्टर्स भी इन्वॉल्व है. इट ऑल्सो डिटरमाइंड इन द adaptations of these method. Since the ultimate aim of all this procedure to have children in India, और ये सब मेथड कि कोई भी कपल विदाउट चाइल्ड ना रहे. चाइल्ड जो प्रोसीजर टू हैव चाइल्ड, पूरा उसका एम क्या है? टू हैव चाइल्ड. इन इंडिया वी हैव सो मैनी orphans and destitute children who would probably not survive till maturity unless taken care of. Our laws permit legal adoptions and it is as yet one of the best method for couple looking for parentalhood. Now next is last discussions. It is summary. Reproductive health refer to total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, physical, emotional, behavior and social. Our nation is first nation in the world to initiate various action plan in national level towards attending a reproductive healthy society. So these are some summary point which already given in NCERT. You will read very carefully. So today we have finished unit 1, or now next lecture we will start unit 2. Thank you student. Have a nice day.